So, hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna show how to remove or replace the since 3 or since 2 is kind of the same for Focus Mk3. So the Mk3 facelift, so I call this Mk3.5 because use mostly of them most of them are the same. So anyways, you need a screwdriver, or you should use the plastic ones, but yeah, I kind of don't have, I don't want to go check out because I forgot. It's gonna be a little harder since only one hand, but you will get the picture. There's 4 holders to this, and I did already take it out, so it's kind of easier to take it out, but you should always be a bit careful with doing this because you don't want to break anything. On the other hand, it's not that big a problem. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 holders. After that, you have 4 screws that you must unscrew, and these are the 4. So here comes, this is one, this is another one, and 2 more on this side. So 1 more here and 1 more here. It's Torx 25 for the Mk3, Mk3.5, everything 25. Next step, to get it more easy out with no problems, you should unclip this one, and usually it goes just by hand, but again, you can use the plastic tool. So this what does give you is a bit access to this part of the climate control. So next one is definitely better to pull it from down than from up, but sometimes does not go. So you might try like this, like me, over here and over here a little bit, and you pop it up. So should do this from the other side as well. Find some nice place where you're gonna put the screw and just pop it out like this. So it's a bit flexible, so it's not that big of a deal. Next one, you have to unplug the electricity, and that's the cover of the radio. So next on, we have 4 another screws that you have to unbolt. So this one is the one, this is the second one. I don't know if you will be able to see. So the one, another one, and from this side, one here and one over here. So I like to use my screwdriver, the electric one. So far I'm using this Parkside, but yeah, if anybody wants to sponsor Makita or something, the Volt, I'm always in for. Now comes the hard part, and you will see why it's the hard part. Because you have to take all the cables out, and there is so many of them. And the cables are not always very easy to take out. So there is the main one. The main one is always not always bad, but most of time really low access to the here we don't have the access. Let's try down those 2 first. Maybe to get some more space. It would be easier if I had two hands, but yeah, maybe one day I learn to. So those are the two down, and it's impossible to take out. Still I will need to unscrew this one. So now you know why when you go for service they charge you that much for replacing anything in these cars, especially any new cars, because the engineer, that guy that designed this, he does not fix his cars, or he does not drive this, or he thinks nothing breaks. So yeah, now finally we have access to the rest, and taking out, it's not that big of a deal as much as it to bring it back, because you know, then you don't really have, then you have even less space. And this one would not be that problematic if I could use two of my hands. So, and yeah, so still two more. Those are the antennas. So these two, and these two are kind of strange to me. I don't know why. I believe there is better solutions than this for a jack. But hey, who am I to question the engineer? Of course you have to break everything, because these are not designed to be changeable. Good thing about all this is that I do not replace anything, I just take it out. So, and now you know, this is the back side of Synth 3, and it's kind of different because it has different, you know, like this goes from here. Downside is kind of the same, but the back side of this, it's a lot different. So this is the process. Now taking it back, I mean, you need to plug in everything. You need to plug in everything and screw those 4 screws, and same to apply this to take it back. So yeah, anyways, I hope this helped. If you have any more questions, be free to ask. And yeah, that's about that. Need to take a little sip of Red Bull. And anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one.